Ready to witness the clash of titans in the AI video arena? It's Minimax versus Runway. Let's start with Minimax. Head to their website, find the text-to-video feature and let your imagination run wild with a detailed prompt. Precision is the name of the game. The more specific your prompt, the better the AI can bring your vision to life. I'm going with a majestic eagle soaring over snow-capped mountains at sunrise. Hit generate and behold. In mere moments, Minimax delivers our soaring eagle, not too shabby. Now, let's dive into RunwayML. Its Gen 2 model also crafts videos from text. The interface is a little different, but the principle remains the same. Clarity is your best friend. For Runway, I'm entering an astronaut walking on a vibrant alien planet, strange plants, 2 suns. Get ready for some out-of-this-world visuals. Let Runway work its magic. And there it is, our astronaut exploring the alien landscape. The details are just amazing. So, who reigns supreme? Runway delivers higher quality and more realistic visuals, but Minimax offers speed and ease of use for rapid prototyping. Your choice depends on your specific needs.